Hello, my name is Michael Duncan and I live in Johannesburg, South Africa. Let me relate my sad story. In July 2022, my wife and I visited the UK, partly so that I could attend some business meetings. So my mistake was to try to edit my photos on the camera, including deleting those which were duplicated or of a poor quality. Somehow or other, I selected delete all instead of deleting a specific photograph only. The result being that I managed to delete all 400 photos. I decided to approach the manufacturers of both my camera and also the memory card for any help they could offer. Fortunately, both reverted very quickly with a few suggestions, including a recommendation to purchase the Stellar data recovery software. The advice I obtained from Stellar was very helpful, and as a result, all of my precious photographs were recovered. As you can imagine, I was incredibly relieved and extremely grateful to Stellar. So, in conclusion, I can heartily recommend the Stellar data recovery software program and the backup service. This certainly worked for me. So thank you very much, Stellar.